Yo, what's going on, guys? It's JetRex1 here, and today I'm doing some Fortnite with my cousin. Yeah, my cousin's right in the other room, because Fortnite can't be split screen. I wish it could, but actually, no. No, I don't wish it could. Yeah. But anyways, we're gonna be doing this together. He needs to get his set up for a bit. Basically, I don't know what I'm gonna do while I wait for him to get set up. I could play. Okay, well, he's gonna finish downloading it. I don't know how long this will take. Jordan! Okay, he's not really answering. See, I'm still new to this. Like, nothing. 0 wins. 0 places in top 10. Places in top. Oh. If you hear noises in the background, I'm sorry. I'm gonna actually pause that. I was watching YouTube. Be right back. And I'm back. What's in the item shop? My cousin got this. Jubilation, jubilation, jubilation. Locker. I don't have anything new in my locker. Honestly, I can't hear with this. I'm going to turn my volume up just. There we go. Challenges. Purchase your battle pass. Not gonna happen. Purchase. Oh, 5 more purchase. Battle pass. Purchase. I wish. So, I'll come back when my cousin's is all done. Okay, guys, I'm back. I'm sorry if you can't hear my cousin. Jordan, say something. Okay, I don't know if you guys could hear that, but if you could, that's good. But if you couldn't, I'm sorry. So if you hear me talking randomly, I'll be talking to him. So yeah. Yeah. Here, I'm gonna pause the video, so it won't be so long for you guys. Okay, guys. We didn't even have to pause for over 10 seconds. Like, right as I paused, it, started. Okay, where are we going? M for map. Where do you want to go? Click M for map. Salty? As soon as it lets me? Okay. So, yeah. I can hear you, but I don't know if they can hear you. That's the one problem. Yeah. So yeah, guys, if you hear me talking to somebody, that's because I'm talking to him. Yeah? No, my friend said it's free, and my uncle said it's free. Uncle Chris. So it's free. I need a weapon. I bet you. There's a weapon in there. Okay. I need to mine this tree. Wait, don't go. I need to mine this tree to get some wood so I can build stairs up. Protect me. Hi, Sarah. What are you doing, girl? Okay, Q. F3. No. Oh my goodness. Ooh! Jordan, you have a blue tack, I have a green tack. Okay. You're over there? Here. Oh. Okay. I was just about to build to you. Are you kidding me? You made me waste. I can't believe that you and me are actually playing on this video. No fair! So, oh yeah, once again, I'm really sorry if you can't hear him, guys. I'm doing my best. Oh yeah, guys, and also, soon I'm going to be doing a special video for my Fierce Steer on YouTube, and ooh, some ammo. Baby, I always love me some ammo. But yeah, this has been my first year on YouTube, so I'm going to be doing a special video. So yeah, I think that video will be on Twitch or something. I don't know. But yeah, I think that might be the vlog. I think that video might be tomorrow. I don't know. Ooh, a Pokemon video. Yeah, so you probably have to watch us on Twitch if you want to join. Okay. How do I drop stuff? Wait, no. I figured it out. It's... Click this. Okay, dropped it. Ooh, it has the same HUD as I did on my other one. Ooh, you got a bolt? Nice. Is it blue something? Okay. Okay, yeah. Nobody's here. I mean, people are here, but we're in the circle. Just wanted to check. Storm's not coming yet, so we still got a while. There's a pump. Wait, did you already check up there? It looks like there's something up there. Yeah, you did. I'm pretty sure. Okay, you want to go check those houses? I'm gonna go look in the... Oh, dude. Somebody built up. I'm gonna go look in one of these houses, okay? See if I can find anything. Because I only have one weapon. That's the attack. Nope. This is the only one I have. That's why I'm looking in this house. Oh. Well, that's not fair. I hear a chest. Ooh, found a chest. Yay. Nice! I got a hunting rifle. Is that good or something? I'll have this slurp juice. Thank you. Hey, do you want my bolt rifle? I know, I heard that one. Riley! Are you okay? Yeah, I think my... Ooh, there's... Hey, Jordan. I don't know what this is called. Wait, let me check. Oh, I hear a chest. It's in this house somewhere. You found it? What's in it? I think... Hey, Jordan. I got this if you want it. I don't know what this is actually called. Dude, I only have blue weapons. I want this burst. Yeah, where is it? It's up here somewhere, that's for sure. It's like on the roof. Oh, I think I found it. Found it. Come to where I am. It's at the go to the top of the one roof where you broke. Okay. Wait, no, I fell. This one's kind of hard to get to. It's like... Okay, that's good. Wait. Ooh! I got a purple assault rifle! Yeah, it's a scar. Nice. Oh, I also got a medkit. You want this medkit? Okay, well, I got a medkit, so... Nice suit. I'm using my bolt. Yeah. I could just want to sell somebody. Guys, we only have 5 minutes left. I don't think we'll be able to finish this game, but... I at least want to... Okay. I'm heading. Man, how do you run in this game? Oh yeah, it's shift. It's shift. Yeah. Okay, where are they? Should I use my Scar or my tack? Scar for sure, actually. Oh, Huntsman? It's not that good of a sniper. Yeah, that's why. Dude, we're still in the circle. Nice. What car? Oh. Whoa! I got hot. I got shot. I got shot. Okay. Okay. Protect. Ah, 6. Okay, protect me. No! They're shooting! They're shooting! He's right there! He's right there! No, I'm down! I'm down! Dang it! Ah, I died. Wait, it won't let me oh, did you die? Yeah. Okay. Return to lobby. Dang it! I should have used my Scar. I hope you all enjoyed this video. It wasn't the longest video that I've ever done, but still. Hope you've all enjoyed, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!